Welcome to Tectonic Nights channel. Here's day 3 of solving easy LeetCode problems in Python. Today's question is to check if two chessboard squares have the same color. This problem involves determining whether two given coordinates of a square on a chessboard shares the same color. Here a coordinate consists of a column represented by the first character ranging from A to H and a row represented by the second character ranging from 1 to 8. For example, consider the coordinate A1. The ASCII value of A here is odd, and the value 1, which is the column value, it is also odd. This means the square is black. Now let's look at another example, H4. The ASCII value of H is even, and 4, which is the column value, it is even as well, making this square also black. Next, consider the coordinate A2. Here the ASCII value of A is odd and the column value, which is 2, is even, resulting in a white square. Similarly, for coordinate H3, the square color is white as well. From these examples, we can establish a pattern. A square color is white if the parity of the row and column values is different, that is, one is odd and the other is even. Now let's dive into the coding section. We will define a function here to check if a square color is white. This function will assess the parity of both the row and column values. If both are odd or both are even, it will return false, indicating a black color square. Otherwise, it will return true, indicating a white color square. Finally, we'll check whether the provided coordinates are on squares of the same color. The time complexity of this approach is O of 1, since the length of each coordinate is always fixed at 2 characters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more videos in this series. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.